Hi, today we are going to look at one of the startups. We'll explore a bit more in terms of what AI and what technologies could power them and the business that they solve. Gray Orange. Basically, this was one of the good posts that I have said. I'll share the link in terms of what are the different AI startups in logistics landscape, and we do spot we have picked Gray Orange as of now. It's an Indian-based startup. Basically, they use robotics, fulfillment, and warehouse automation. In terms of it, what could there are different components: robotics, hardware, software, machine learning, distance route optimization, and item collection. So to explore a little bit more on the startup, I was looking at their patents and what are the key data points that they cover and what could be potential ML algorithms which they use. So we look at couple of the patents and what is filed, a brief overview. So what they do, basically smart robots which can pick the items, collect the items, and fulfill an order, and more of like warehouse robots which can work repetitively and like basically automating all the human effort involved in collecting items, packing items, or going to the respective shelf and picking the items, inventory packing, routing the items, picking from different shelves, all of them. There were three patents I could spot. One was, I'll share the link for the patents. Second is, first patent is like in terms of allocating where to keep what item. So they have a database in terms of like how a particular item has been accessed, and is it a frequently accessed item or not a frequently picked item. Then depending on that, they try to score it, and then they have some predefined spaces in terms of products which are frequently used where it can be placed, and infrequently used products where it can be placed, and some volumetric distance. So basically, in this flow you will get to know where to place the item that's coming and how this type of items have been placed historically and accessed historically. So this helps in identifying the spots where items can be kept. The second one, this is in terms of fulfilling the items, like I have different items kept in different locations, and how do I pick where to start. Something similar to a Google route optimization, where when you pick from point A to point B, it knows this is the different ways. So if you have 10 different items that needs to be picked, so each item, what is the sequence of order, what is the like shortest path that I can cover, and I have the layout like a Google map. I know the different layout, different shells where it is placed, and what is the optimal route, how I can traverse across and get it. That's one of the second patterns. The third one is more of robotics, like the locations, how does the robot navigates, and how does it prepare the path, all of it. I mean, in a way, I've not done a complete deep dive, but like the product, and what business they solve and what kind of patterns they have supplied. So here, looking at it, they will have definitely a lot of computer vision in place, and the robotics in terms of like picking items, placing items, a lot of hardware as well, and they'll have database of inventory, and they will have the complete roadmap within the warehouse where it is kept, and a complete historical sequences of all the data where it is placed, all of them. So overall, in terms of this product, what business problem it solves, and what kind of technology they might have used, and how does the stack look like, and what kind of patents they have filed. So it's a very short overview, but then like we can spot and apply the domain lens to identify what are all the different hardware and software AI ML vision components that could play a key role here. Thank you.